Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some pop can lock picking. Now, to do this, you will need I'm demonstrating this on a combination padlock. Take a soda can, an aluminum soda can, private jet flying over, and simply start trimming. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the top of the can first. Then I'm going to make a part of the can that will actually pick the lock. Now, the only downside to this is that sometimes, because the aluminum is so thin, sometimes as you're doing it, the lock picking mechanism that I'm making now will bend. But you need to have a piece of the can that looks like that. Now you can see how thin this is. Very thin, very wobbly. But we're going to try it on this padlock, and we're going to see if we can open it. I'll make it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to make it also a little more pointed. Like that. Wrap it around. It's a little difficult to get started down in that groove where the padlock is, but you may have to take some time and effort to get it down in there. Turn it around. And voila. Part of the can is still stuck in there. There we go. But you've now just opened a padlock with a pop can. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.